What are the effective or smart ways to recap classes? We started this project with a question. It is almost impossible to remember and understand everything from classes. That is why we are studying after the classes or before exams. You can call it recapping or studying. What really matters is how effective it is. We, NeoLab, have been working on the solution for this. We add a smart recorder in a traditional pen and paper note-taking, meaning that you don't need to give up your pen and paper note-taking. I think it's absolutely incredible. Now you have your teachers or professor in your paper to bring out when you study. I know there are smartphone, laptop, and voice recorders, so you can record or capture classes. So why bother? Why do I need an extra device? Yes, you're right. There are tons of ways to study. But for those who like to use a traditional way, such as a pen and paper, this recording system could be the right solution for your effective study. Here's how it works. All you need to do is to connect the pen to the smart recorder and take notes in your class. It is as simple as that. Your teacher's voice is recorded into the writing. Now here's the magical part of the system. When you recap or study, connect the pen to record the record and then tap your note is set at the time the note was written.
Okay class, so today we're going to be working on finding the hypotenuse. Alright, as you can see here is the hypotenuse.
It is just like if you point a part of your notebook by finger, the teacher starts lecturing from that particular point. We imagined this and made it happen. If your teacher is next to you and teaches you, you can save your time big. Besides, since it is a paper notebook, not an iPad, there are no distractions. No double-clicking, no color palette to choose. Being able to concentrate means you understand more. It will definitely lead you to better grades. This is how it looks like. You can record your daily classes and you can save 150 hours of classes in the device. Especially when you take this out on your classroom desk, it will not intimidate your surroundings and looks natural on the desk. I am proudly introducing our smart recorder, RECO. I would venture to say it is the very best contributor to your study among the things on your desk. Thank you.
RECO, wake up!